Hello, everyone. This is Mia Johnson. I am a realtor and broker here in Dallas, and of course, your instructor for this course. And I just thought I'd take a moment with this video to reach out to you since we won't be able to communicate face to face and in person. I wanted to go ahead and just mention some things about the course itself. One thing that I think is really important is being able to know how to pace yourself to study. Even though this is an online class and it's your decision as to when you want to study, it is important to be able to know how much time it may take to complete the material. So, as a rule of thumb, for a 3 hour course like what I'm offering, it will take on average about 6 to 9 hours per week to be able to work through the course material. So keep that in mind when you're deciding what day you're going to read your text, what day you're going to review or take quizzes and work through the assignments and activities for the course. Another thing that I wanted to bring to your attention is just simply how to study for this course. Something to keep in mind is that if you haven't read the syllabus already, to go ahead and take time to read through it and make sure that you have a general understanding of it, the content in it, the due dates, things of that nature. Another thing is to be sure to go ahead and read the chapters as they are listed in that syllabus. That's going to be very important because each week does build on the next. You'll find at the end of each chapter you read, there's a chapter review. And that's a bank of questions about the text and material that you went through already. And then you'll be able to, after that, log in to eCampus and you'll be able to go online and take a quiz. Now, something to keep in mind about the quiz is that retakes are allowed. So if you take a quiz and you're not happy with those results, then you'll be able to go ahead and log back into eCampus and retake that quiz. I do want to bring to your attention that in the syllabus, you're going to see what I call a practice case scenario. It is a loan qualifying case where you will have an opportunity to play the role of a loan officer. So there's a review case there. And with that review case, you will also see the answers that will tell you what the solution is for the case assignment that you're going to review. That's something that you'll do self-paced. You'll want to do it early on in the course because after you have reviewed it, you'll find that there's also a graded case analysis that's built into the course. Now, what's different about it, though, as mentioned, it's the graded case analysis. So you will review it, make sure that you have a good understanding of it. It's going to work very similar to the first case that you reviewed. And rather than complete it online like your quizzes, what you're going to do is email that case to me. Follow your syllabus for the instructions of when and how to email it to me. And if you have questions prior to that, make sure that you reach out to me, which takes me to the last thing that I wanted to mention about eCampus, which is the course materials themselves. When you log into eCampus, you'll be able to see a menu, and on that menu, you'll see where you can, access the syllabus. You'll be able to access the announcements, quizzes, and there's also some licensing information there. And you'll see other tabs as well, but I just wanted to mention that. So, as we move forward, I hope you all enjoy the course. Never hesitate to ask me any questions. If there's any time that we need to communicate by phone, if you send me an email and let me know what your schedule availability is, then we can try to communicate that way as well. I don't want you to feel like we have to only be restricted to email as a resource for us to be able to communicate. So I wish you all luck with your careers and with the course. And again, feel free to contact me. Looking forward to the next few weeks.